All right, finished up. Let's take a look really quick. Got the bumper back on. Some nice fit. It was actually pretty bad customer when he took it off. That's your finish, and I haven't even wiped it down. I don't do any heavy polishing or sanding. Look how clean of a finish you can get. Nothing sharp. I mean, I didn't do some extra detailing on it because I gotta go, but you really can't see that. I mean, not when you're looking at it like this. This is kind of normally how people look at things. Yeah, so that dent's super nice. Customers super happy, and that's a way of doing it where you don't have to color sand or heavy buff it. Just leaves the full clear coat on it. And I could have done more detail and get it even finer than that, but that's the way I do dent repair. Well, thanks for watching. This is Sal from Dent Experts, finishing up this WRX. Thanks for subscribing. Want to see more videos on these lives like this, let me know. If not, it'll always be the same format, fixing something pretty ugly. Thanks.